Let's go ahead and do a review of Lebesgue, which lets you analyze millions of data points to make our marketing work. It's alternative to Jasper, Agency Analytics, and Triple Whale and would be best fit for e-commerce businesses and marketing agencies looking to improve ROI for Facebook or Google Ads. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Lebesgue and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $69, and for $69 you can unlimited monthly store revenue, unlimited team members, and 1 store. If you go for license tier 2, you can get unlimited monthly store revenue, unlimited team members, 5 store. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Lebesgue, smarter marketing analyzes marketing data and generates actionable insights, so you can build better marketing strategies. Lebesgue centralizes key marketing metrics and real-time benchmarks for e-commerce businesses. Just connect the tool to your Google, Facebook, and Instagram ads to discover critical mistakes that seriously impact your strategic growth. Get industry benchmarks to understand how your click-through rate, conversion rate, or cost per mil compares against competitors. As you run campaigns, you'll be able to identify areas of improvement and measure impact on customer acquisition cost, CAC, and return on ad spend. With Lebesgue, you can monitor your top 3 competitors' brand awareness and growth on social networks like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Collect data on your competitors' Facebook strategy, including their ad posting frequency, underperforming content, and best practices so you can do it even better. You'll also be able to identify competitors bidding on the same keywords for Google Ads and receive in-depth insights on their ad strategy to improve your own. And because you can stay up to date on your closest competitors, you can also spot new opportunities for your advertising strategies or marketing channels. Thanks to the AI-based copy creator, you can craft high-converting content based on market trends, your best-performing work, and competitor content. Goodbye, writer's block. Now you can choose your preferred writing style and receive ad copy suggestions in an instant. Best of all, Lebesgue is trained to come up with effective ad copy that's perfectly aligned with your brand voice. Lebesgue measures your Shopify customer lifetime value, CLTV, for every marketing channel, so you can increase your ROAS. Discover your most profitable patrons and compare customer cohorts that contribute to your business profits on a monthly basis. Instead of guessing your profits, you'll be able to analyze future revenue based on historical data. Plus, you can identify channels with lower acquisition costs, adjust your marketing strategy in a smarter way, and maximize profits. Planning your data-based marketing strategy shouldn't require you to manually select and analyze hundreds of rows in Excel, which you definitely know how to do. Shifty eyes. Lebesgue offers key insights on your marketing metrics, so you can create high-converting campaigns and ensure your ad spend is well spent. Make smarter marketing decisions. Get lifetime access to Lebesgue today.